If you are chasing a hi-fi experience that has the absolute quietest black levels with zero noise and no added distortion that you can be absolutely positively guaranteed is never going to come out of your mains power, then the Audioquest Niagara 5000 is a piece that you need to give some attention because it stands as one of the finest power filtering, conditioning, and surge protection units currently available on the market today. Now, before I get into the details of the Niagara 5000, don't forget to subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that bell icon so you won't miss out on any upcoming content, whether it be product highlights or audio use, because more of those are coming too. Now, here's your question of the day. What has been the best power product you've ever used in your audio system? A little background on Audioquest for you. Audioquest started a couple decades ago in the business of making really good audio cabling. The reason behind this was, at about that time, audio cables were really no better than the lamp cord, or what you might plug a clock radio in with. That's not going to cut it when you're trying to get the highest fidelity to your ears, and you need to deliver signals in a clean manner. So they began producing some of what's still today the highest quality audio-related cabling you can get, whether it be signal interconnects, speaker cables, power cables, and now actual active power conditioning itself. As for the feature set of the Niagara 5000, here's how it does its magic. In here, you have a reservoir that can store up to 90 amps worth of power for ensuring that all your amplifiers never want for transient response, meaning they will always have a great pool of power to draw from so that when you get massive dynamic swings, such as a crescendo in a song or an explosion in a movie, nothing skips a beat. That power will be available. This features something called Level 10 Ultralinear Noise Dissipation, and it works across 23 different octaves worth of signal to filter out inconsistencies in the stream of power coming into the unit, and then of course ultimately going out to your audio system. And that's 23 octaves just in differential mode filtering. There's another 16 octaves in common mode filtering. You also get ground noise dissipation, as ground loops can be one of the most annoying, frustrating, and downright hair-ripping moments when it comes to setting up an audio system. If you've ever had to chase down a really annoying ground loop that felt like you could never get it sorted, oh, you know the feeling I'm talking about. This is going to be a big help with that because it has 6 different banks of all direction-controlled ground drain. That is a godsend. And finally, this has really robust 6,000 volt rated non-sacrificial surge protection, as in this can take a 6,000 volt hit and just eat it. It won't damage your equipment and it won't damage this device. It is built to withstand it and not get killed in the process, so your investment is safe all around, even in this device itself. This is effectively a 20 amp unit, so plug this into a 20 amp circuit. If you don't have one, I'd suggest getting one, and knowing that this product itself is essentially 20 amp is great. And we have up to 10 power outlets on this device. 4 of those are meant for high current power correction. This is where you plug your power amps. And 8 of those are ultralinear noise dissipation circuits. This is where you're going to plug in your lower powered equipment, such as your preamp, your streamer, your CD player, etc. So what's it like using a Niagara 5000? Well, it's not the kind of product that you interface with directly, but I can tell you the effect it could have on your system. If you already have a particularly resolving system where little fine details of noise would otherwise be detected, you get it all connected to a Niagara 5000 and it's going to seem like your black levels, your contrast, your quiet moments in whatever music you're listening to just got all the more detailed and finer. You could take any of them, turn the volume up almost to maximum with nothing actually playing, and go put your ear up to the tweeter and hear virtually nothing. That's the kind of black level I'm talking about, a noise floor that is effectively nil. While certain products come to mind that already have exceptional noise floors, such as Macintosh amps for example, this just takes that even further. And should you have notably dirty power at home, this is going to almost completely remove that problem. And if you want to make sure that all of your equipment is well protected and that should a lightning strike occur nearby, you're not going to lose any of your equipment, that is also what this is good for. So on top of contributing to making your system sounding all the more excellent, it's going to keep everything safe. If you want to make sure that your system is as protected as it can possibly be and that you're resolving every last bit of fine detail and maximizing the contrast, this is the product for you. Click the link down below to head on over to skybygramophone.com where you can pick up a Niagara 5000 for yourself. You'll find that these go for $5,500. You can receive fast and free shipping straight to your door after a secure checkout process. And if you want to hear what the Niagara 5000 can do for your system and you want to hear it with your own ears before you take one home, stop by one of our showrooms in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. We have Niagara power units on all of our top-end systems in each of these showrooms, and we'll give you a first-hand demonstration of how this can make a difference with and without. Finally, if you're thinking about your next home improvement project, be sure to stop by our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley because their designs and the products they use are incredible. All right, everybody, if you had a good time today and felt like you learned something, click that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know if you have any additional questions about the Niagara 5000 or really anything else you've seen on the channel. And of course, don't forget to answer that question of the day. Thank you guys so much. Be seeing you.